Hi, today I am explaining most important topic, which is related to your fiancé products, which is fixed deposit. Are you thinking to do the fixed deposit, but are you worried that it will grow or not? Where to do the FD? Can it break before maturity? Can it take as emergency funds asset? Can it beat to inflation? What will be the penalty if break before maturity? What will be the taxation and TDS on maturity? Today I will explain it in basics. I can make video in deep, in demand on my viewers. Today, I am explaining the 5-point agenda for making the fixed deposit and behind the scenario of fixed deposit. First point. Where to do the FD? You have the option to make FD in bank where your bank account available. You can go to the bank and simply fill a form for making FD or pre-filled form in bank or by biometric impression or by sending messages on WhatsApp. Yes, it's also possible in some bank and many more options available for making fixed deposit. Either you can make FD in post offices, cooperative banks, Sahakari Pat Sanstha, and many more financial institutions are offering the fixed deposit facility. You can choose as par your confidence and faith. You know the formula that some financial institution are offering the higher rates of interest, but customer has to be aware before making FD by considering the risk factor. Second point. Can it break before maturity? Can it take as emergency funds asset? Yes, you can break the fixed deposit any time before maturity, except the FD, which is made for income tax purpose for 5 years lock-in, which is cannot be break before maturity up to 5 years. Some of bank or post offices or some of the institution are not allowing to break before maturity to their customers. It's better to make FD where you can easily break for any emergency purpose. Ask to bank or institution before making it. It's better for you. Some banks are offering partial withdrawal of FD without breaking the FD. It's a better option for you. You can make inquiry wherever you are doing FD. Third point. Can it beat to inflation? No inflation means in simple word. If you are buying apple by ours, 200 kilograms and next year same apple you found in market as ours, 220 kilograms, means here ours, 10 increase on 100 means ours, 20 on 200. That means 10% increases the value of apple. If you are making FD in bank, and you are getting 7% means you will make FD of ours. 200 then you will get ours. 214 after 1 year. When you're going to purchase the apple of 1 kilogram you have to pay ours. 220 but you have only ours. 214, it means you lost ours. 6, after making fixed deposit in the bank, you can correlate for each and every products like this. Means FD is loss-making bussiness, but it's a better option to fulfill your short-term goal compared to saving balances in the account. Fourth point. What will be the penalty if break before maturity? Bank can levy the penalty to customer if they break the FD before maturity. Maturity amount will be the vary as bank to bank. Some banks deduct 1% from maturity amount. Some banks deducts 0.50 from their maturity amount. X. If the customer has deposited 1 lakh ours, and he or she is getting ours, 110000 at the time of breaking the FD, then 1% deduction means 1% from his interest amount. 1% of 10000 means ours. 1,000 can be deduct from his final maturity, and customer can receive ours. 109000. Fifth point. What will be the taxation and TDS on maturity? TDS, tax deducted at source on FD, is currently deducted at a rate of 10%. If the total interest earned on FDs for a financial year exceeds ours, 40,000. However, if the investor's PAN is not available, TDS is deducted at the rate of 20%. The exemption limit for TDS deduction on FD is as per income tax guidelines. However, as per the current guidelines, the exemption limit for TDS deduction on FD for individuals except senior citizens is ours, 40,000, and for senior citizens, the exemption limit is ours, 50,000. Customer can fill the form of 15G age below 60 years and 15H age above 60 years old. In the bank, if they will fill a form, bank will not deduct the TDS. Customer declaring that he will personally declare while or at the time of tax return process. Guys, it's a short video regarding the FD making process for you. You can take your own decision as par given guidance for fulfill NEDs as short-term purpose. Thank you.